Hi guys, postman's bin, 2 packages and both of them tell us what they are. Shame really, I like it to be a surprise. This one says electronic accessory, but over here on this label it actually says camera microphone, because I got so upset with the amount of wind noise I was getting with my new camera that I've actually bought an external microphone for it. As usual, I've gone for the cheapest, so I don't know whether it'll be a worthwhile buy. We will find out when I use it. I'll open it in a second. And then the other thing, this one, again on the back it tells us USB extension cable. Links will be in the video description as normal, so you can see where I got them. And as usual, I suggest you do your own searches because you'll find cheaper or better quality products. So I don't particularly recommend the ones that I've bought. I'll even get this one out the bag. It's supposed to be a 10 meter USB lead with active electronics in there, apparently, to boost the signal. This is so I can shove it all the way up my chimney when I do my chimney sweeping with a camera on the end of it. And this one Boya BY-VM190 microphone is a shotgun microphone designed for use with DSLR cameras, camcorders and personal audio recorders. Broadcast quality condenser. Alright, let's get it out of the box and have a look. That's our dead cat. That's the bit that I want to reduce the wind noise. We'll use my mobile phone to film setting it up. This is my LG Spirit mobile phone, and we're going to fit the microphone to my camera, which is a Canon Powershot. SX60HS. First thing we'll do is take my temporary dead cat off. So Powershot SX60HS. The microphone fits on the hot shoe, but before we put it on there, we need to put a battery in it. I've got to say, it does feel a bit light and soft plasticky. So I'm not sure how robust it will be. It's got these rubber band things on it to, I suppose that's to stop any noise from the camera getting through to the microphone. So that slides onto there. And tighten it up, so that's in place. And then on my camera, the microphone input is just here. We can plug it in there, so we're plugged in. And switched on. There's actually 3 positions on the switch. There's off, on, and then, what does it call it? Low cut filter, maximum setting. Not quite sure what that does, but I assume maximum setting means it picks up the most. No idea. I'm sure somebody can tell me what low cut filter does. And then we've got the dead kitten, as it calls it. I suppose that's because it's a small one, not a dead cat. So we'll go outside and give it a bit of a try. There's no wind out there, so we can't really test the wind deadening effect. Well, we're out in the garden to test the microphone and it started raining, which is why I've got the hat on. Haven't put the dead cat on top because there's no wind, so we won't really know if it makes any difference. So this test is just to see how good the microphone is. I'm just going to push that switch to the low cut-off and see what difference that makes. Right, just push that switch forwards to see if it makes any difference. So I'm coming back under the shelter. This one is with the microphone unplugged, because as you'll have seen, I tried it with the microphone just switched off and we had no sound at all. So I have to remember to unplug it if I'm going to try and do this sort of talk to the camera.